Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll in order to find the notifications, which is a little bit tricky because usually we will try to find those options in the battery, but in this device it is in the notifications. So let's tap on it. Then we have to tap on advanced settings. And as you can see here, we've got the show battery percentage option, which is in my case turned on. If you've got it turned off, obviously you have to simply tap on the switcher, and from now on your device will display the exact percentage of the usage of the battery next to the battery icon. Of course, you can hide it just by tapping on the switcher again, it's up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.